Good morning, boys and girls. I just wanted to do a quick video about how we can get to that Savvas Realize, our reading material in our curriculum. When we go into small group, we usually have a book that we're reading from, and we call that our level reader. Sometimes it's a decodable reader. And we also go to our story of the week on Friday, and we have the story read to us through this Savvas Realize button. So what I wanted to do is just do a little video here showing you how to get there. So this is our welcome home page. You're going to go ahead and go to your ELA button, and whatever day of the week it is, you're going to click on the day of the week, and then that brings you to our reading page. And this is where we normally go for our lessons. Remember, the blue, green, and yellow buttons are for our lessons, our whole group. And then underneath it, we have our reading groups. And what you would do is you would select which reading group you're in. And so I call you over from our Microsoft Teams meeting, and I call you into a small group. And this would be the meeting. The owl you would click on is the one that your name is under. So you click that on. And somewhere on that page, you are going to find a Savvas Realize button. It's a black button, and it's got the green, red, and blue little dots on it. You're going to click that on, and that's going to take us to our curriculum. It's basically going to take us to our reading book. All right, so we have a browse, a classes, and a data button. Okay, and what students would be using the red button for material that you need to find to read, like either that leveled reader or the story of the week that we're reading. And we would go to the blue data button for our reading test. So we're going to click on the red button first so that we can find our leveled reader. And this screen does look slightly different for you because this is the teacher screen, but what you would have is, see these red bars here? Your assignments would be under this bar, and then there would be another red bar, and that would be in process assignments. So once we start reading our leveled reader, it goes into in process, but on the first day when it's new to us, we start with that first button where it says assignments. And Mrs. Kraft would give you the title of the book that we're going to be reading. So say it's Bills and Beaks, you would click that on, and then it would go to open a window, and then the book is right there. You could just open the book just like if you were sitting here in small group with me. Now, if we started reading the book, it would be under that second red bar here, and it would just be in progress. And then you would do the same thing, just look for that title of that book under in progress after you click it, and you click on that book, and it goes to a window that says opening a window. You click that on, and then your book should be on your screen. If you have any questions, always go ahead and ask me. I am going to put this on our reading page, so if you do get lost, you can use this button to find how to get to your leveled reader or our reader on Friday when we have the story read to us. Thank you, and have a good afternoon.